Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Saeed and you are watching Civil Trainer YouTube channel. Dear friends, in this lecture today I am going to show you here how to find weight of steel in different units. Means unit weight of steel in kg per meter, unit weight of steel in pound per meter, and unit weight of steel in kg per feet, and unit weight of steel in pound per feet. So this is the very important topic for today. Let's start. Okay, so first of all I have to find out unit weight of steel kg per meter, right? Weight is equal to d square divided by 162. Many students know about this formula. D square divided by 162 kg per meter, where D is in millimeters, So if you use any die of steel used in then it will give you kg per meter. The second formula is for pound per meter. So the weight is equal to d square divided by 357.574 pound per meter, where D in also millimeters. The third formula is weight is equal to d square divided by 532.574 532.138 kg per feet, again where D in millimeter. So now formula for pound per feet is weight is equal to d square divided by 1173.144 pound per feet, where D is in millimeters. So these are the formulas to calculate any die of steel. So for example, if we have 8 die of steel, so if we will want to calculate weight kilogram in meters, we will put die of steel d square 8 square divided by 162, we can get kilogram per meter. If we want to calculate weight in pound per meter, we have to put die of steel here in this formula. Similarly, if we want to calculate weight in pound per foot, we will use this formula. So this is very important topic for new students. If you like video, please share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe my channel. See you in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.